Welcome back to another video. In this lecture, I am going to show you how to check whether we have installed the Google Analytics tracking code in your website correctly and whether it's working or not. So for that, we need to right click on the website and we need to click on view page source. So this is the source code of a website, and ideally the tracking code which we have got from analytics should be available on this page if the script has loaded properly. So what I'll do is I'll copy the tracking ID. Okay, so let's copy this tracking ID and let's go back to the source code. To find this code, I will do Command F. If you are a Windows user, press Control F. So Command F, and yes, you can see that here this particular plugin has installed this particular code here on this page, which means that it has started tracking the pages. So let's close this and let's go back to the home page. What I'll do is I'll click on one of the posts. So let's click on this post and check the view page source. So right click and view page source and see if this particular tracking code is loading. So let's do Command F. So yes, it is there. So let's close this and let's go to the analytic account. And if I go to home page, so right now you will able to see that the real-time statistic, that is one user active. Okay, so I'll click on real time and I'll click on overview. So right now you can see that it is showing one active user on the website, and I'll click on the location. So right now I am visiting this website from India, and if I click on India, it will show me the city Mumbai. Okay, and now if I click on traffic sources, it says none. Okay, and if I go on content, you will able to see that I am on this particular page. So suppose if I go on home page, let's go on home page and let's go back here. So it should change and it should say that I'm on home page. So now you can see the active page is home page. So this basically shows us that our analytic code has been set up and it's working. So that's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.